So you've just upgraded your laundry game with a shiny new washing machine. Before you dive into your first load of laundry, let's ensure you're set for success with these 5 essential steps. First things first, crack open that manual. It's not just a formality, it's the blueprint to your machine's longevity. It'll guide you through setup, operation, and the all-important maintenance tasks to keep your appliance in top shape. Next, give your machine an initial spin without the clothes. Run an empty cycle to clear out any factory residue or dust. It's like a warm-up for your washer, ensuring it's primed to tackle your laundry. Now let's talk detergent. It's tempting to eyeball it, but precision pays off. Use the recommended amount to avoid a bubble overflow and maintain your machine's cleaning power. Less is often more when it comes to suds. Your clothes aren't one size fits all, and neither are your machine's settings. Delicate's heavy-duty quick wash, each has its place. Match the setting to the load and watch your clothes come out just right. Finally, consider calling in the pros. A plumber's expertise can save you from the headaches of leaks or flooding by ensuring your machine is installed correctly. It's a smart move for a smooth start. There you have it, 5 steps to make your new washing machine a laundry day champion. Read the manual, run an empty cycle, measure your detergent, select the right setting, and maybe get a plumber on board. Follow these tips and you'll be set for years of clean, carefree washing.